It is day 2 of jury deliberations in the trial of the triple murder trial of Chad Daybell in Idaho. NewsNation has been following this case for over a year. Daybell is charged with killing his first wife in 2019 and his new wife's 2 children. Lori Vallow Daybell was already sentenced to life in prison last year for the murders of her children. The couple shared the same belief that the end of days was imminent. Correspondent Alex Capriello is live at the Boise courthouse. And Alex, kind of bring us up to speed today.
Yeah, Nichole, it's now been a little more than 4.5 hours of deliberation behind closed doors. The fate of one man, Chad Daybell, now rests solely on the shoulders of a 12-person jury of his peers. We're told that we will get about a 30 to 45-minute window when a decision is made, but keep in mind that could be any minute now. Just a year ago in this very same courthouse in Boise, Idaho, it took a 12-person jury 2 days to reach a unanimous guilty verdict in the trial of Chad Daybell's wife, Lori Vallow. She was ultimately sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. While much of the evidence is the same in Chad Daybell's case, there are some added wrinkles that could make this deliberation process even longer. Chad Daybell could face the death penalty if convicted, making the decision that much harder for each member of that jury. Before going behind closed doors, there was a lot to take in. Nearly 2 months of witness testimony, evidence, and exhibits, all tightly packed into about 4 hours of closing arguments. The prosecution painting the picture that Chad Daybell is power hungry and obsessed with his sexual desires, willing to kill his wife and 2 children in order to get the things he wants. But the defense counters there's simply not enough evidence, that Chad Daybell's DNA was nowhere near the crime scene, and there's no explicit agreement between him and Lori Vallow showing proof that they conspired to commit a crime.
It can't be an agreement that we have consistent religious beliefs. It can't be an agreement that we talk about religion unless there's an extra step. And that extra step has to be, we are going to kill these children. We are going to agree to kill Tammy Daybell.
Joshua Jackson Vallow and Tylee Ryan were found buried in the defendant's backyard. Tammy Daybell was found dead in their marital bed. And for what? Money, power, and sex. That's what the defendant cared about.
And this jury is sequestered, meaning that they can't leave, go home, talk to anybody else until a decision is made. And in reality, you know, we kind of joke about it, but Nichole, that is a very powerful motivator to work as quickly as possible. Long days to try to get to a decision. Everybody wants to go home after a nearly 2-month trial.
Yeah, so many people watching this one. All right, Alex, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.